In the previous video, we reviewed the SX-3000 standalone IMB. In this video, we will cover the actual hardware installation. The SX-3000 fits in the middle slot of most standard digital projectors. This slot is typically reserved for IMBs, but please note that with smaller projectors, such as the NEC 900, the IMB would fit in the bottom slot. At the very minimum, you'll need to connect a mouse and monitor via the USB and VGA ports, and at this time, you will connect any network, audio, or automation devices as well. After the IMB has been installed within the projector, we'll then have to set up the portable or enterprise storage. Use 4 screws to secure the enterprise storage within the 19-inch pedestal. Connect the eSATA cable to the back panel of the enterprise storage and insert the other end of the cable into slot 1 of the IMB. Insert the 3.5 hard drives into the enterprise storage and use the twist knobs to lock the drives in place. Next, we will review the portable storage installation. The portable storage comes with 3 2.5-inch hard drives. Those drives should be inserted into slots 1, 2, and 3 of the device. Afterwards, connect the AC adapter and the eSATA cable to the back of the portable storage. Be sure to tighten the twist knob to secure the eSATA cable. Secure the other end of the eSATA cable into slot 1 of the IMB. Lastly, plug the AC adapter into a power source. You are now ready to boot up the system. Begin by flipping the power switch to the portable storage, and then flip the power switch on the projector. The projector will send power to the SX-3000, which will then begin its standard boot up sequence. Within a few moments, you should be brought to the SMS interface.